Do you live anywhere in this red zone? Or what about this red zone in the Midwest? If so, then we are tracking two separate severe weather threats across the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic on Thursday, August 20th, 2026. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. If we take a look at the large-scale pattern, we can see a prominent upper-level trough over the Great Lakes and much of Canada and a strong ridge over the southern U.S. As we have seen repeatedly this season, where those boundaries converge is where we are likely to see active weather, which stretches from the Midwest to the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic. In this case, the flow will predominantly be from the northwest, and there are two separate shortwaves, one near Lake Superior and the other in the Mid-Atlantic. Both systems will be pretty weak, but still could produce some active weather. At least moderate instability will be present in the atmosphere from Nebraska to Minnesota and separately in the Mid-Atlantic from I-95 south and east. Steady rain will push from the Ohio Valley and northern Appalachians to the interior northeast on Thursday morning. As it pushes eastward later in the day, there will be embedded clusters of strong to severe storms. As a result, the SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that extends from Henderson, North Carolina to Toms River, New Jersey. This includes Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Richmond, Alexandria, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Annapolis, Havre de Grace, Easton, Salisbury, Ocean City, the entire state of Delaware, Philadelphia, Westchester, and most of South Jersey, including the shore. The most widespread concern will be for damaging straight-line winds, most likely in this yellow area. There also could be an isolated tornado or two in this green zone that stretches from Washington, D.C. to Trenton down to Rehoboth Beach. This also includes most of the Baltimore and Philadelphia metropolitan areas. Additionally, these storms may contain heavy downpours, and that could produce a localized flash flooding threat in this yellow zone that stretches from northeastern North Carolina to central New Jersey. Meanwhile, in the Midwest, we're only talking about isolated scattered to severe storms across the region. As a result, the SPC has a separate level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that covers portions of Nebraska, South Dakota, Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. This includes Broken Bow, Sioux Falls, Sioux City, the Twin Cities, Mankato, and Hayward, among others. Because we'll have steep lapse rates, the primary concern in this region is actually for large and destructive hail, most likely in this yellow zone. And for those within the Hatch region of South Dakota and Nebraska, that is where the hail could exceed 2 inches in diameter in the most intense cells. Again, I think it's important to emphasize that not everybody is going to be seeing severe weather. In fact, most of you probably won't, but it just means that the potential is there and you should prepare accordingly. Please stay safe, and for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.